So this 98 to 99, just an odds trade to make sure you paid there. It's a psychology area just ahead of the 26. And it's also 30 points off of the low. So those of you who wanted to buy for the 2600, we'd call this morning 2600 and a quarter as the potential target. So, and that still is available today. But odds start to come in at this, especially from the jam at the at the open. Cannot beat this chart. Execution today was the problem, wanting a little bit better odds back here. Sink through and then catch and go up was what I was thinking. Sometimes you outsmart yourself. So then you wind up being a chaser and you have even worse odds than when you first started, but that's just the way it is. And we'd said early that it looks to us like that 85 right here, this low 86. This is going to be our aggressive support. And you have to be a bot today to play. Just close your eyes and buy and hope it works out. That's still tough trade for most traders, but it does keep us honest using these lines. Anybody that gets close to the 2600 stops up. Anybody that wants to short, again, I say the rotations will probably be minimal because there was no evidence early that we were coming backwards. Most rules of thumb that we would use just didn't even trigger ideas. My initial thought was at the open, better odds to let it sink back and then buy. That has not worked very well today. And execution, again, I'm reminding you, is part of the equation. A weekly trader that's in this trade wouldn't even think about doing anything other than protect profits now, and probably at this 92 area. So anybody that still wants long side and is adding in, going to use 94.5 as the support until broken. That's that previous high. And if you want to put it back 1 point below it, that's okay. And this is get out of Dodge early. And by that I mean the boys that wanted to participate long side have done that the first 2 days of the week. We've got tomorrow, which is a throwaway day, and then you've got the holiday. And we did say yesterday, it looks like they want to print 2,600 by the end of the week. So the end of the week is here already. And don't let any one day take you out of the game by trying to be a hero. I've got 2605 actually as a target for today, and not necessarily believing in it, but that's a target that has showed up past the 02 and a quarter. I'm sorry, 00 and a quarter. So anybody that's adding in up here, you got to have nerves of steel and tight stops. And by adding in, I mean either adding 2 positions or saying, hey, I'm just buying a high because we're going higher. Trend is up. 2,600 in sight. And as far as I'm concerned, we get 98 to 99. Anything above that's the good fortune. 98.75 is T1 today. Good trade if you got it. Anybody that played this morning, good for you. Paid for sure. Anybody wants to short, use O2 as your resistance now.